Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to make delicious Jurassic Park themed blondies that will melt in your mouth. The Jurassic Park Ford Explorer is one of the most iconic movie cars to date, and what better way to celebrate Jurassic June than by creating these cars into home baking. Let's go. The ingredients you'll need are 2.5 cups of flour, 1.5 cups of white sugar, half a teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, 4 tablespoons of butter, 2 eggs, 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract, 2 cups of white chocolate chips, and top it off, green, yellow, red, and black food coloring. First thing you'll need to do is to preheat your oven to 180 degrees. Now we need to line a baking pan with parchment paper and put it to the side. In a large mixing bowl, whisk together the flour, the sugar, baking soda, and the salt. Add the butter to the dry ingredients and blend until the butter is no longer detectable and the mixture is a fine crumb. Now add to the mixture 2 eggs and the vanilla extract. Whisk together until combined. Add 3/4 cup of the chocolate chips and fold them in using the spatula. Separate the mixture evenly into 2 bowls and color one with a couple of drops of yellow food coloring and the other green food coloring. Scoop the batter into the prepared baking pan and spread it around until you have a nice even layer. Make sure to put the yellow mixture on the bottom and the green on top. Use 1/4 cup of chocolate chips to sprinkle on top of the batter. Put the mixture in the oven and bake at 180 degrees for 30 minutes. Once your blondies are baked, set them aside as hard as it may be to let them cool for as long as possible so they don't collapse once you take them out of the pan. Well, while the blondies are cooling, let's make the decorations. Put 1 cup of white chocolate chips into a bowl and melt it in the microwave in 20 to 30 second intervals until the chocolate is completely melted. Add drops of red and black food coloring until the chocolate is a nice dark red color. Drizzle the chocolate over the blondies, creating the four's iconic tiger stripe patterns. And there you have it, Jurassic Park styled blondies. Time for a bite. Delicious.